Hey guys, in this video we'll discuss regarding Elon Musk, who is a great inspiration. He's a South African born American entrepreneur who co-founded the electronic payment firm PayPal and formed SpaceX, the maker of the launch vehicles and spacecraft. He was also one of the first significant investors in, as well as the chief executive officer of the electric car manufacturer Tesla. Elon Musk, he's an inspiration. People like him are born like once in centuries. Okay, early life, Musk was born to South African father and a Canadian mother. He displayed an earlier talent for computers and entrepreneurship. At age 12, he created a video game and sold it to a computer magazine. In 1988, after obtaining a Canadian passport, Musk left South Africa because he was unwilling to support apartheid through compulsory military service and because he sought the greater economic opportunities available in the United States. So he obtained Canadian passport in 1988, and after obtaining a, like, he was around what age, as he was born in 1971. So at the age of 17 he left South Africa and he went to Canada with the United passports, where he got the Canadian passport and he went to like Canada, United States, and the PayPal and the SpaceX. So Musk attended Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario in 1992. He transferred to University of Pennsylvania, Philadelphia. Okay, so he was born 1971 and at 1992 he was 21 years old when he attended the Queen's University. He transferred to University of Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, where he received bachelor's degree in physics and economics in 1997. Okay, so he was around 26-year-old when he received his bachelor's degree in physics and economics, and he enrolled in graduate school in physics at Stanford University in California. So after that he enrolled in like Stanford University, and but he left only after 2 days because he felt that the internet and much more potential to change the society than work in physics. So in 1995 he founded Zip, to a company that provides maps and business directories to online newspapers. And in 1999, Zip 2 was bought by the computer manufacturer Compaq for $3.7 million, and Musk then founded an online financial services company X.com, which later became PayPal, which specialized in transferring money online. And the online auction eBay bought PayPal in 2002 for $1.5 billion. Okay, so Musk was long convinced that for life to survive, humanity has to become multi-planet species. So his like dream is to make multi-planetary species, to create the aspect of human consciousness to other planets also. That is what he feels that should be the aim of humanity. However, he was dissatisfied with the great expense of rocket launchers. In 2002, he founded space exploration technology SpaceX to make more affordable rockets. In the first two rockets were the Falcon 1, the first launched in 2006, and larger Falcon 9, first launched in 2010. So he was around, at this age he was 39 years old when he started the SpaceX, and like he started SpaceX in 2002. So around at the age of, you can see, around 31 years old. So when he was 1 years old, he started SpaceX, which were designed to cost much less than the competing rockets. A third rocket, that the Falcon Heavy, launched in 2018, was designed to carry 1,17,000 pounds to orbit, nearly twice as much its largest competitor, the Boeing company's Delta IV Heavy, for one third cost. And SpaceX has announced successor to the Falcon 9 and the Falcon Heavy, Super Heavy Starship system. The Super Heavy first stage would be capable of lifting 1 lakh kg to low orbit. The PayPal load would be Starship, a spacecraft designed for providing fast transportation between cities on Earth and building bases on the Moon and the Mars. SpaceX also developed the Dragon spacecraft, which carries supplies to the International Space Station ISS. Okay, so his story is so inspiring. We can see he did so many work, and this tells us that he always did not set any expectation or limitations. He just did the work, completely involved in that, and exploring the infinite possibilities in that, and this is a great inspiration, I would say that, and we should learn from him and be inspired from Elon Musk. So beginning in the 2012, SpaceX Grasshopper rocket made several short flights to test this technology. In addition to being CEO at SpaceX, Musk was also a chief designer in building the Falcon rockets, Dragons, and Grasshopper. So Tesla, like, he got into this company in 2004. He became one of the major funders of Tesla Motors, an electric car company founded by entrepreneurs Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. In 2006, Tesla introduced its first car, the Roadster, which could travel 245 miles on a single charge, unlike the most previous electric vehicles, which Musk thought were stodgy and uninteresting. It was a sports car that could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. Like, if you can see how the mind and the brain, this is not just about that Elon Musk, because Elon Musk, that is just a name, but we see that the possible potential of being human. He also has the same brain, we also have the same brain, but it is just about the willpower and understanding that what can be done and breaking all the human limitations. So great power of imagination, which tells about, but also being patient also, so that we can, like, never get too much hurry, because there needs to be patience. There will be failures also, there will be ups and downs both, but we need to be in the middle so that we can understand it. So Musk has raised about $2 20 to 26 million. 2 years later, Tesla introduced the Model S sedan, which was acclaimed by automotive critics for its performance and design. The company won further praise for Model X luxury SUV, which won the market in 2005, and the Model 3, a less expensive vehicle, went into the production. So Elon Musk, he's one of the most inspiring person, I would say that, and now he was also the richest person after his the stock of the Tesla, it went jumped. So, like, it jumped and he became the richest man, and but like after some time he became second and like a bit lower ranked, but he's a great inspiration. He is not focused on money, like I would say that, like other entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos, they are also great entrepreneurs, but they are mainly focused on money. He is living for a purpose for humanity. This was all about the video.